Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name's Don, and sorry I haven't uploaded in quite a while. I've been kind of swapping businesses. I sold my painting business, and now I'm going to be doing this kind of stuff full time, kind of through a different business. I'm doing something akin to a maker space, and I do a lot of woodworking, 3D printing, stuff like that. So I figured I'd just combine it all and create a makerspace. We don't have one here in our area, and I just wanted to have something like that. So anyway, on to the video. What we're going to do today is I've got 4 decals on here. It's a 12 by 12 sheet, as you can see on the Cameo 4. And these decals can be kind of tough to weed out. And so what I like to do is I like to put these little boxes around here and lines, just to create easy ways to get the vinyl off without having to fight it the whole entire way. I can individually pull out each piece. And so this is the way I like to set my stuff up. You can do yours differently if you like, but I just wanted to show you how you can do that and make things easier on yourself. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here, and I've got this one already kind of built. I'll kind of show you this one here. I'll go over and I'll grab this box, and I'll make sure it's the same color as all my other extra cut lines. The decals being cut with a black line. All the text is black line, and then my extra cut lines are going to be red. So I'm going to grab a box and just kind of wrap each text like this right here. And you want to make sure you're not clipping anything off. You're not getting down into your other artwork. But once you have that, you can go over and grab your line tool for areas that won't allow a box to go around it. We'd end up clipping this guy's hair off here, and we can't cut the mullet, so we don't want to do that. So we're going to have to put some lines in here. So what I'll do is I'll come in here and kind of grab just a little spot like this right here. Make sure I'm not clipping anything off. And we'll double click there. Pull this over to, say right about here. Click again, pull down, and we release it, and then click again. And then we'll just finish out here, and then we'll pull it down to this line to make it easier to grab. I think on my other one I went up and around, and that was just so I didn't have to worry about pulling the guy's hair loose or something. So you can add that extra line in if you want to. Just kind of bring it up here to this, and same thing over here. You might have to bring it out a little further, and like that right there. And then I will come out of there, and this is gonna make it to where I can cut each individual piece. So I can pull these pieces out and get them out of the way first if I want to, and then pull the large piece of scrap vinyl away. However you want to do it. I usually pull the large piece first, and I'm going to put this one in the Cameo and get it cut, and I'll kind of speed through that. Everybody's seen that happen, so I'll speed through that part, and then I will show you how I deal with these individual cut boxes and how it makes it a lot easier to be able to weed stuff out without pulling stuff loose. So I'll see you on the other side. As you can see, we've got part of that one over there, and my blade was kind of giving me a fit, so it hadn't cut everything. So we're going to try this one right here. I'll try to get it into the view. And we just pull it down through there. The blade doesn't cut all the way to the edge sometimes. So pull all that out. Get this out of here, this corner. And you get the main body out of the way. Get it unstuck from your fingers, and then you can come in and I like to go bigger pieces down to the smaller pieces typically, but And then whenever you go to do your text, you've got that box around it. You can just get it started. And yeah, that blade is just horrible. Gonna put a new one in immediately after doing this, so but you get the idea. Get that loose. Whenever this happens to you, the best thing to do is just slow down, take your time, get through it, and then put a new blade in. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, because I don't want to have to deal with this again. I've been wondering when that blade was going to go dull, and of course it would do it right whenever I get my video and trying to do that. Huh. Oh well. Roll with the flow. Put that in there. Come on, get out of there. There we go. That's a lot easier. If your blade is new, I'm going to just pull that out of the way. I'll put that back in place carefully. And yeah, you just weed it out as normal with the center pieces. I like to use tweezers. A lot of people like to use the dental picks, but tweezers just, I don't know, my eyes are bad, so I have a tough time hitting the right spot with the dental picks. But there you have it. That's the way I do it, just to make it a little easier to weed everything out and not have a major mess. Of course, it works better if you got a brand new blade, but this is what we had, and we got to work with what we've got. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Check out some of my other videos, and like and subscribe to the page if you want to. I'd appreciate it, and ring the little bell. That way you get notified of every video I put out. Thank you guys. Have a good one. Bye.